Hey YouTube, we're gonna do a cold start on the 7.3 IDI. It's about 28 degrees out right now. Got the full 4-inch on it. It's a 93 7.3 non-turbo crew cab. Old 7.3 non-turbo. Got 188,000 miles on it. Starts up fast in the morning, even if you're cold out. I don't even plug it in the mornings usually. Got the stack in the back. Used to be right there where the bolts are. Well, I took it off, put the 4-inch on it. Doesn't really blow much of black smoke, but under heavy acceleration, I mean, it does a little bit of a peak. But that'll be changed once I turn the pump up next week. But that was a cold start. That's it.